So, out here on a job today in Engadine for a customer who's got some issues with their roof here. Now, when they originally had their internet put in, so this is their box here. I'm up on the roof, right? That's the highway. So if you can see that black line there, right, that's where their conduit ran. So they had a data cable. So in here is the daughter's bedroom behind this wall, and they had an Ethernet cable going in here. So they had internet going in here, data cable which ran from this bedroom in here down to his office, and then that is where NBN went in. So they had a socket in the bedroom. So they want to move that out of the daughter's bedroom, and they're pulling this roof up because it's starting to collapse. So what I'm doing is putting in a new conduit. So I was just running straight across this roof on the diagonal. What I'm doing now, let's walk down here and have a look. I've got my new conduit under here, right? And then we're going to run that along this part. And then we're going to drop down over the side. And then we're going to run along this way and then go into his office. So we'll have an Ethernet port in his daughter's room where they've got a little Wi-Fi extender that they're just going to use for the upstairs, and then downstairs they're just going to use the router just to give the Wi-Fi downstairs. So 2 SSIDs, but yeah, this is the way. So they're pulling this roof off, so I've got to get his existing conduit off there. So this is what I'm doing today. Okey-dokey, so we're not going to saddle this conduit down here. What we're going to do is we've got some like liquid nails. We're going to put that in there because there's nothing to screw it actually to. It's just going to go straight through this tin. So I had the owner just up here on the roof. He's just gone down to Bunnings to grab some. That's what we're going to do for this point here, because all this is coming off. So what we need to do is keep anything off this part of the roof, and just set it on this part. So we've got some flex here. What we're going to do is flex it around, try and make it nice and neat. And then we're just going to run it along here. And you can see the old conduit just there, and then we'll follow that conduit down, go through the hole. That's his office in there, and we'll put the socket down there. So I've left a bit of a loop there, so when they do loop that off, he's just going to push that up as enough room, then saddle it to that once that roof's gone. I'm going to put the new one on. So now I've got my conduit tucked in along here, and it's bending down through here. Now we're going to go in through the wall to the office. But I love working in a bushy environment here in Australia, just covered in these prickle thing buggers. And that's it. Got my socket on this end with the new NBN connection. I just tested the data cabling, it's all testing fine.
Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.